Welcome back to Low Expectations in Public Education, and we're just going to take a look at a couple of expenses here as we continue looking at some of the luxurious living of some of our leaders. Our superintendent here, if you look back in October of 2016, you have the Maine School Management Association Conference for our superintendent. Went down and spent the night in Augusta, Maine. This hotel, Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott, is 1 hour and 1 minute away. And many of us in our work lives have probably had to commute close to an hour, if not more, both ways to work and back. Conference goes from 8 to 5. Apparently, we needed to stay here in, once again, not the least expensive room, $182 for one night. Nothing is too good, but wait, it gets better as we go down to the next expenditure here, in which you'll see when we had went down to Washington, D.C. for the Blue Ribbon presentation, a proud moment for our school in Reedsburg. And as you can see here, one night, November 6th, 2016, at a JW Marriott in Washington, D.C. for a grand total of $625.17. One night in Washington, D.C. Now, what kind of hotel do you get when you spend $625.17? Well, let's just take a look here real quick. You go to the JW Marriott, and as they say on their website, this is, well, experience of luxury and sophistication at JW Marriott, Washington, D.C. So you get $625 there. Well, let's look at what kind of room you get, because they do have rooms for, well, a couple $100, but nothing, as we have said, is too good for our superintendent. Hopefully, at some point in time, our school board will have the same focus on our students, and nothing would be too good for them, but we do have to skimp sometimes in teachers, resources, etc. But look at this. We're not just staying in a regular room. We're not staying in the executive level rooms. In order to spend that kind of money, you're looking at the JW Premium rooms. Look at this. You got a beautiful view of the Washington, D.C. And so when we look at our expenditures here, just two of them in less than 2 weeks on hotel rooms, over $800. Coming up, we'll also be taking a look at some other expenditures that have caught our eye, and we'll be looking at how are these actually tracked, the cost codes that they go to, which is going to be quite an interesting story for you, but we'll get more of that later. And also wait till you see how much we spend on auto prepare. Wow. Thanks for joining.